What's up, Taylor? Javy Martinez here. Just finished taking your course and just wanted to give you a big shout out and thank you for letting me know about it. Uh, it was awesome. You're a funny guy, dude. But, overall, a few key takeaways from it. First off, I really enjoyed how you were able to take all these topics and subtopics and break it up into bite-sized pieces. I think that was very beneficial for me. Someone that, can't sit still for 30, 40 minutes. You were able to break it down into 5, 7, even, the longest I think was 12-minute segments. And the amount of just valuable insight that was on there was amazing. There was not any fluff like a lot of these other courses kind of tend to do. So I really appreciate that. As far as some of my favorite topics that you went and spoke about in this course, where, for me, ultimately as a growth marketer, I'm constantly looking for the next tool that I can utilize to add to my toolkit. And in each one of your topics, you talked about a different tactic or strategies that you utilize, and you were able to back it up with a tool that you've used or a tool that, is out there in the market. So I learned about 8 or 9 different tools that I've never heard of. So I'm definitely excited to go check them out and test them. A lot of this content that you spoke about, I was familiar with, but there's a lot of different little, hacks that you talked about and just strategies that I, didn't think about that are definitely excited to go test in my business. So, for anyone looking for a course that kind of give you an overview on the digital marketing landscape, go check out Taylor Ryan's Growth Secrets Masterclass. Whether you're a founder, a marketer, I've learned, the world of digital marketing is constantly evolving. So you kind of have to stay ahead of the curve by, testing and experimenting with different tactics and strategies. So Taylor, big shout out to you. And I look forward to hopefully meeting you one day. Thank you very much.